So let's try and give you a comb, big boy. You're looking a bit scruffy and a bit hangdog. Let's try and cheer you up, Marlo. Marlo. Ow! The stones are red hot, Marlo. There's a good boy. Your fur's coming out, Marlo. You're molting. You're molting, baby. Good boy. Good boy. Is it stress, sweetie? Don't worry. Don't worry, it's nice. It's nice, Marlo. Oh, you want me to do belly? You want me to do your belly? You've been scratching yourself again, baby. You want Perry back? Eh? He's coming home. He's coming home now. He's coming home now, Marlo. You don't know Bruiser, do you? No, you don't know Bruiser. Bruiser's gone to the hospital. Jojo's getting better, Marlo. I think. I hope so, anyway. Want more? Okay. A little bit more. Nice and gently, though. Nice and gently. No tugging. No tugging. What's this in your clothes? Eh? What's this in your clothes, big boy? There we go. There we go. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm sweating, Marlo, so you must be absolutely roasting, boy. You must be roasting, boy. You got a stone on your palm. You doing roly-polies? Are you doing roly-polies? It's okay. It's okay. What's the matter? It's a car, that's all. Yeah, I know you don't like cars, boy. I don't like cars. I don't like cars either, Marlo. I don't like cars, Marlo. What's that on your head, Marlo? You're covered in stones, Marlo. These little stones. I need to do your ears again, pal. You're not very good at caring for your ears, are you? No. No, sir. Where are you going? Do you want this food? It's skanky food now, boy, but you can have it. Dennis ate most of it. And Pip. Little Pip. Good boy, lad. You got to stop scratching your face, Marlo. We won't be able to help you. It's a bit dried up, Marlo. It was better earlier. But you've had your breakfast. You've had your breakfast, haven't you? Good boy. Good boy. Don't worry about me. It's covered in mud. Good boy, Marlo. You little soul.